Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Ollama Python package to connect your Python projects with Ollama. Instead of writing raw HTTP request, this package gives you a simple client for interacting with Ollama's local server. It makes running prompts, handling responses, and integrating AI into your Python applications both easy and efficient. We'll walk through importing the library, initializing the client, sending a prompt, and reading the model's response. The Ollama Python library provides the easiest way to integrate Python 3.8 plus projects with Ollama. You can get this repository from the URL github.com/ollama/ollama python. Run the code. First install pip install Ollama and check the necessary Ollama model has been installed on your computer from CMD. Ollama list. From the list, copy a model name and paste into the source code model part. Now run the source code. The output window will appear your answer according to your prompt. Importing. You will start by importing the chat function and chat response class from the Ollama Python package. Making a chat request. Here, you call the chat function, specify the model llama 3, 2, 1, b, and pass in a conversation history as a list of messages. In this case, the user asks, "Why is the sky blue?" Accessing the response dictionary style. Since the response is dictionary-like, you can extract the model's reply using keys. Accessing the response object style. You can also access the same content directly as an attribute of the response object. This script shows how to use the Ollama Python library to send a prompt to an LLM llama 3 to 1b and print the model's answer in two different ways, by treating the response as a dictionary or as an object. This simple workflow lets you integrate Ollama into your own Python applications, from chatbots and assistants to research tools and automation scripts. Thank you for watching, and keep continuing to explore, experiment, and build amazing AI projects with Ollama.